It is with great pride and excitement that I welcome you to Copperfield College, a multi-campus college dedicated to learning and outstanding results. One college, 3 sides, one family.
At the Delahaye campus, our students get to experience a senior environment. This allows students the opportunities to choose their pathway, choose their subjects, and excel.
At Copperfield, there is a range of programs and facilities such as Study Centre, the library, a range of vet courses that you can participate in as part of your VCE, as well as STEM, including Robotics Club.
At Copperfield College, our students are happy to be part of our school community.
The community atmosphere at Copperfield College is very tight-knit. We are all very respectful of each other and we'll always say hi, always lend a hand when we need it. There are so many different cultures, there's so many different people that we can all learn and benefit from.
With the support of our international coordinator, our staff and our students, the international students are welcomed into our school environment, supported and guided through their journey.
My overall experience in here has been so positive. The environment in here has really made me feel a strong sense of belonging, and it helped me to promote my health and well-being and my academic grades too.
During EAL and English tutoring, I've been able to help my friends out learning English and being able to further their knowledge, especially during VCE, and it's been really rewarding to see them succeed.
I think instead of just learning from the curriculum, we learn from each other.
I would definitely recommend Copperfield College for international students and as well as local students, as for its supportive environment and inclusivity.
There's something so special about being in a place where you know you'll always have someone. That itself just means that we are all being supported to achieve.
We welcome international students from all over the world, and we would like them to become part of our family.
Just having each other's support, as well as a specialised careers team and a mental wellbeing team, has really helped us all succeed.